Here goes nothing.
I don't need no homeless, still never sober. My bro, I say I'm gonna change, but I know I won't. I get high, I love to smoke. I don't want the fame, I don't wanna play these games. Tired of hiding from me. Don't be shy. Girl, just don't be they will know. Hey, you know I got experience. So you know I just wanna spill, yeah. Got my head, I just can't help it.
So today we're going to try to install these little daytime running lights. Flush mount, come in a pack of 10, 5 for side. Pretty good build quality, feels like. Pretty simple wiring, so yeah. Let's get to it.
I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself at a lonely soul mate. I'm just listening. I'm thinking about your timeline. Do everything. I done did everything. I used to hit you about everything. Oh. If you break your heart, nigga, we be sipping out the bottle, swimming the gas down. I won't put a watch on this, it costs $100. Yeah, I love you, bitch, but I ain't finna say it. I'm the realest brother, man. Fuck it, y'all don't wanna hate me anyway. Fuck it, yeah, the money came to my brain. Yeah, I think I'm all that. This bitch pain. I ain't got no time.
You sure this is what we want to do? There's no turning back now. Here's my concern. I don't really want to damage the wrap. Here we go.
Nobody was saying, you say you a shooter, you ain't. Really out of my chair like a stain. Yeah, catch my nigga, my man. Oh, bang, bang, oh. All niggas swerving. got going crazy. Trying to sign my paper. Why can tell that I don't miss a nigga? Why don't think what we gon' be alright? Found myself screaming. Up and they won't slide. Call my little blood and he gon' ride. 187, a homicide, a homicide. Watch I wanna die coming. Nobody else and you put it is where I belong. All the things that you come that I all that I am, you don't need no. Take the time for me, what you went through, girl. Can I right my wrong? No. You, I'll be in this weekend.
Okay, so we're pretty much at the last stage. We're just hooking these up. We have to try to find a power source and a ground. Every car is a little different. This is my 2011, come on camera focus, 2011 Subaru WRX STI. Right here, there's two 15 amp fuses. They're both for left and right side headlights. Both those tiny little guys there. Sorry about the focus. There we go. Both 15s right there. Power is, they don't receive power when the vehicle's off, but they receive power when the vehicle's on. So that is exactly how we want these lights to be on. We don't want them on all the time. There's two 15 amp fuses in there. I know it's blurry, sorry guys. And yeah, you just stick this back into the terminals where that 115 amp headlight fuse was. Plug it in, and we'll wire these two things up and we'll find a ground. So, wiring harness, obviously positive is going to that splitter in our headlight, our power on by headlight. We got our ground. I only had a red wire left, so not the best for just, you know, putting as your ground, but previous owner had this ground extension plate, which he has a bunch of grounds run off to. I don't know where they go, but so anyways, that is how the wiring is going so far. For now, I'm just gonna leave it out like that, and if we did I did everything right, we should have, come on, focus. Thank you. Once we turn these lights on, or turn the key on, okay, battery's about to die in here, but cover's on. Wires shooting on the side. I had to cut a little slit in it. Ground wires right there, tucked along the fender. The only wire that's sticking out is right here, but there's already the previous Hellahorn wires that ran like up by the rad. Not a great idea, but it's whatever. It's nothing. I can adjust it later if I want, but other than that, it's fire. I love it. Let's get some photos or just maybe some videos of it outside in the dark. It's already getting pretty dark, so we'll see you guys in a second. This side is actually, those are quite bright actually. As you can tell, they're shining right into the camera. They're actually, I'm quite impressed up right there. Love them though. Come on, camera, focus, focus. There we go.